Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to turn on or turn off video stabilization on your XIAOMI 15T. So let's open camera application, and the first thing that you want to do is switch to video mode like this, and then in the top section of your screen you should see this arrow icon which expands some modes, video modes, and you want to find option that is labeled shoot steady. So if you want to have your stabilization on, you have to tap on it so that it was yellow, and that indicates that this feature of stabilization is active. And if not, you just have to simply remove it like that, simply tapping on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.